go finish up our corn. God, it's a beautiful day in paradise. Kidding. Miserable. Cold. Windy. It's time to finish corn harvest. Let's get her done. She rumbles to life. So, got to dump on the cart. Make sure my clean grain elevator is working, because last night right at the end it quit. One of the drive chains popped off. So get that checked out, make sure we're all good to go, and should be good to go, hopefully. Splitting the field. Since these rows are so long, I got to be able to dump out all the time. So I got to split it, that way my auger's always out. That way we can dump, because I need to dump at least twice in the one pass, because I got to dump about halfway down, and I got to be empty pretty close to the end. Okay, I know my moisture sensor doesn't work. Thanks for the info, Pro 700. Dumping. Little schwappy down here. Still ain't as bad as what we went through last year. What we went through last year is kind of like what most of the Midwest, like Illinois, Iowa, Minnesota especially, what they've gone through this year is kind of what we went through last year. Absolute muddy mess all of harvest. Just absolute mess, cutting ruts everywhere. It's gotta go sometime. We are waiting for a while. Woo! Definitely looking promising outside. See the raindrops? I think we'll be alright. It doesn't look like it's going to be enough to make us quit. I hope not anyway. We'll see. I think we can still power through it. Hashtag row of shame. Going fast though. Well, there they are, the last 18 rows. It's pretty bittersweet. Corn harvest just started on Monday, and today's Thursday. Yeah, it's going to be over here in 15 minutes, if that. Whatever. I guess this year I'd rather have 160 acres of wet corn than 800 or 900 acres of wet corn. This is going to be a really full cart, because I want to try to get everything we can here on the cart. I think we can do it though. Get up front here. Go, 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 go. Let the combine. Uh-oh. Oops. Okay, there we go. I got us some room. Beautiful. Alrighty, you're very full, and I think I'm going to make it. Pray to God. If I don't, I'm going to spill a little bit, but I'm not going to stop for 10 feet.
Do you think it's too full, you say? Or just pulling up or what?
Yeah, I'm not getting any more on you. Go wait for a truck, and this should be it.
Let me wait in case you got to dump a few more on me. I've done that spot many times in my life before. Around here till you get this done.
Yeah, now you're full. Absolute no more going on in any way, shape, or form. Oops. So, I don't know. I don't feel like waiting clear down the other end of the field for 10 feet of corn, so we might end up getting some cap corn. We'll see. I don't think so, though. Well, here they are. Last 18 rows, corn 2019. Going to be done in 3, 2, 1. All done. Well, now what do we do? I guess we go wait on trucks and then decide what we're going to do from there. That's it. That's all she wrote for 2019. I'm gonna start folding in my head. Yeah, other button. There we go. Ever so slowly. Folding. Fold up my head and hang out, wait for trucks because we got a pretty full hopper. The grain cart's overfull. Now I don't know what we got to do. Call Dad and see what we got going on. Oh boy. Alrighty, so we just spent the last hour blowing everything off. Got the combine cleaned up good. Grain carts cleaned out good. So it's about 4:30. I'm going to head on home now with the combine. Dad and Aiden are doing some work here in turkey barns. I'm going to put this away, and that's probably going to be it. If I had to guess, because I think tomorrow we're going to work ground, get this field here worked up. We got a bearing we need to change on the Dominator. And then we'll bring both diggers down here and get this knocked out, and then we are done with everything. No more of nothing to do. So then after that, I guess we can worry about getting stuff cleaned up properly and all put away, and this combine will probably be back out and cutting beans for our neighbor, I bet.